BFLY stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking all it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now look, I am the only person in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And regarding BFLY, it's a solid bullish market, but it's not something that I'm immediately going to look to buy. You know what I mean? Like, I would much rather prefer I see the shift rather than trying to guess, right? And since it's melting, I really have no ill intentions towards BFLY. But I'm gonna like, is there something I can control here? No, right? So, oh, actually, let me just try to correct this. I had like a previous bullish idea, but honestly, maybe once I saw the higher time frame, for me, it's a bearish side. Even like sell side will make a crap ton of sense than where we're right now. So if there is a double break, I'm looking to take it to the downside. And all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. What if it starts breaking above 226? Well, then it's a whole different play. So that's why I'll keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.